The universe is full of surprises. From exploding stars to the intricate dance of life, complexity arises from seemingly chaotic beginnings. Ilya Prigogine, a Nobel Prize-winning chemist, dove into this paradox. He explored how order emerges from disorder, a concept known as emergence. Prigogine argued that time is not simply a straight line. It's not just a measure of seconds ticking by. Instead, time is intertwined with the unfolding of the universe. This unfolding is full of possibilities, of systems constantly changing and adapting. Imagine a river, its currents swirling and shifting. This captures the dynamism of systems Prigogine described. They're not static, they're always in flux, responding to their surroundings. This dynamic flow leads to the emergence of new structures and patterns. Think of snowflakes, their intricate forms arising from the simple act of water freezing. That's emergence in action, the birth of complexity from seemingly simple rules. Life itself is a testament to Prigogine's ideas. From the simplest bacteria to the human brain, living systems are islands of order in a sea of chaos. They constantly exchange energy and information with their environment, adapting and evolving. At the heart of this dance lies biosemiosis, the way life creates and interprets meaning. It's the language of cells, the communication between organisms, the very essence of thought itself. Think of how plants turn towards the sun or how animals respond to danger. These are examples of biosemiosis, of living systems interpreting signs and acting accordingly. Our thoughts, too, are part of this grand dance. They arise from the complex interactions of neurons in our brains, forming patterns and connections that shape our perception of the world. To understand thought as a biosemiotic process, we turn to Charles Sanders Peirce, an American philosopher. Peirce developed the concept of pragmatism, which emphasizes the practical consequences of ideas and beliefs. Central to Peirce's philosophy is the idea of semiosis, the process of signs and meaning-making. A sign for Peirce is anything that stands for something else. It could be a word, a gesture, or even a scent. Semiosis, according to Peirce, is a three-part process. First, there's the sign itself. Second, there's the object the sign represents. Third, there's the interpretation of the sign in someone's mind. This process of interpretation is what allows us to make sense of the world around us. It's how we navigate our environment, communicate with others, and build our understanding of reality. Section 4, the river of time, consciousness in flow. Our thoughts are not isolated events, they flow together, a continuous stream of consciousness shaped by our past experiences and present perceptions. This flow, like Prigogine's river, is dynamic and ever-changing. We perceive time through this flow, through the constant interplay of memory, perception, and anticipation. The past informs the present, and the present shapes our expectations of the future. Imagine listening to a melody. Each note gains meaning from the notes that came before, and together they create a coherent whole. Similarly, our thoughts form a tapestry of meaning, woven from the threads of our experiences. This flow of consciousness is not limited to our individual minds. We exist in a web of relationships, constantly exchanging thoughts and ideas with others. This dialogue, this sharing of meaning, further enriches the river of time. Section 5. Conclusion, from universe to us. From the chaotic dance of particles to the intricate flow of thought, the universe is a story of emergence and interconnectedness. Prigogine's insights into the nature of time and complexity illuminate the very fabric of reality. Biosemiosis, the language of life, reveals how meaning arises from the interactions of systems, from the simplest cell to the human brain. Peirce's pragmatism provides a framework for understanding how we interpret signs and construct our understanding of the world. And through it all flows the river of time, carrying our thoughts, experiences, and connections into the vast ocean of existence. We are part of this grand narrative, a testament to the universe's remarkable capacity for self-organization and the emergence of meaning. Section 6. The impact of artificial intelligence on meaning. Now, with the proliferation of nominalistic artificial intelligence, we need to urgently focus on education, community dialogue, and cohesion. As AI systems increasingly influence our daily lives, they often operate within a nominalist framework, processing information in isolated fragments without an inherent understanding of the interconnectedness of meaning. This can lead to a further fragmentation of our combined understanding, as AI-generated content may lack the depth and coherence found in human communication. To counter this, it is essential to prioritize education that emphasizes critical thinking, holistic understanding, and the interconnected nature of knowledge. Community dialogue plays a crucial role in bridging the gaps created by AI, fostering a shared understanding and reinforcing the bonds that unite us. By focusing on cohesion, we can ensure that the integration of AI into our society enhances rather than diminishes the richness of our combined meaning-making processes. Through these efforts, we can navigate the challenges posed by nominalistic AI and preserve the integrity of our universal dialogue, ensuring that the flow of semiosis remains vibrant and meaningful for future generations. Section 6. The fragmentation of meaning. The fragmentation caused by nominalism disrupts the universal dialogue of semiosis. Nominalism, by denying the existence of universals, fragments the interconnected web of meaning. This disruption hinders the flow of semiosis, the process by which signs and symbols convey meaning. In a nominalist framework, the shared understanding and communication of ideas become fragmented, leading to a breakdown in the universal dialogue that underpins human cognition and culture. To restore this dialogue, we must recognize the interconnectedness of all things and embrace a holistic view of meaning and knowledge. By acknowledging the intricate web of relationships that bind us, we can mend the fragmented understanding and rekindle the flow of semiosis, allowing for a richer, more coherent exchange of ideas and meanings. This interconnected perspective not only enhances our comprehension, but also fosters a deeper connection to the universe and each other.